Do I really need to spend $800 on a lens to get some macro shots? I don't know. What is this? Hey, what is up guys? I'm Brandon here again with another video. Today I'm gonna give you a little hack how to take some nice macro shots on the budget with this thing right here. This is an extender adapter which is gonna help your lens, almost any lens, to take some nice macro shots. So this is a simple piece of equipment that it's very inexpensive. You can get this for around $40 on Amazon. It's basically a plastic adapter that gives you like a little space between the lens and the sensor, and that gives you a macro style shot. It's pretty much, you connect this to your camera, and then you connect your lens here. It comes in 3 different sizes: 20mm, 12 and 36mm tubes. The bigger the tubes are, the closer you can get like more tight shot. I took some pictures with this and some videos that I'm gonna show you that you can get some nice results. So I'm gonna show you right now. I'm gonna show you some pictures and videos that I took with these adapt. They look pretty amazing. Let me tell you that for now. So let's open up Lightroom. This is a picture that I took of a cupcake. So you can see here, the detail is insane. I was using, I believe I was using the, yes, I was using the 20 plus the 12. So it was 32mm distance, the adapter. And you can zoom in more into the picture. And let's just zoom in more, why not, right? And you can see here, like, look all that detail. You can see the blueberry here, all that detail, like everything. Like even if you zoom in more, I think, like this is 3:1, bro. Wow, look all that detail. Nobody's gonna say that this is from a cheap adapter. I mean, this is crazy. And if we go to another shot that I took, this is another cupcake as well. This is with the 12mm, the shorter one. So you get the idea. The shorter the adapter is, the kind of like the farther, or kind of like the bigger picture you're gonna get, basically. Less kind of like close up. But still, look at this. This is insane. Wait, it's too close. But it's a lot of detail. It's insane. This picture, I took it with my 24-85, which I have right here. 24-85, 3.5. Yes, 3.5, 4.5 G. This is the ED glass with BR for Nikon. The F mount one, of course, because Nikon doesn't have that lens. The C mount. So continue with the pictures. Here we can see another shot that I took. Again, this is with the 12mm, the smaller one of the 3. Again, tons of details. Sorry, my computer's a little bit slow, but yes, tons of details here. Look at this gorgeous image. Another cupcake shot. Again, here you can like zoom in. Here you go. And a lot of detail. It's the same adapter again, 12mm, the smaller one. And as you can see, you can get a little bit more from the background also because it's shorter. And this is some other shots that I was taking. Again, this is with the 12mm. Another thing that you notice is that you don't get any kind of like lens information from the shots, because I guess it's not connecting the information. Anyways, yes, a lot of detail. Again, you can zoom in here. The same lens. Here I was using the 36 tube, pretty close. And then this is another shot. Sorry, okay, there you go. You want it to load finally. And then here we can see if the computer lets me. It's not this slow, the computer, so bear with me. So here we can also see like more detail. This shot, you can see more grain because it has higher ISO. Here I wasn't using any light, but I kind of like knew. I was trying to use the natural lighting and stuff. And then here, if the computer allowed me to, there you go. Here we can see more detail, a lot of detail here. This is microscopic. This is super microscopic to the naked eye. It's insane. This is another shot. Here I was using my lighting, my LED light for this one, so I could get more detail as I wanted to. And yes, like I can zoom in and boom, a lot of detail. And again, like for $40, for $50, this is an amazing add-on to your accessories, you know, especially if you beginning, or especially if you don't know, if you want to do macro or something like that, like you're not sure but you want to try it, this is a great item for that, you know. And then another example here. This is another example. Sorry again. Oops. Oh, I didn't. Okay. Now I zoom in. Here we can really see. Let me just put down the sharpening. As you can see, I didn't retouch them as much. I just press the auto button, so because some of them they were like underexposed and stuff. So I just did that real quick. So yeah, so the sharpening, I just put it down all the way down, and as we can see, look at this clean image. It's very sharp, very sharp. You can see everything from the flower and stuff. This is like a tiny, tiny flower, insane. And again, another photo. This is the last photo. Just gonna zoom in real quick. There you go. This is the one that really got to me. Like, wow, this is insane. Again, $40 accessory, and you can do basically almost any lens. It's crazy. Yeah, this is just an example. You can be more creative. You can push this really hard. Another thing to consider is that because out of the camera picture, let me just press auto real quick so you can see. Straight from the camera, the pictures looks a little bit, I don't know, hazy in a way, basically. You want to use the dehaze button. As you can see, you get rid of that fast and stuff, so it's pretty much it. So as you can see, this is a pretty cool item to have. Very fun to use. This is something that you can use now in the quarantine stuff. You can get this for your camera, and just, I don't know, you can do anything. You can shot some drops, water drops and stuff, some ideas, and you can, you know, be entertained, or you can be creative. You never know. But this is a great accessory to have if you're beginning to take some macro shots, or if you're interested and you want something that doesn't break the bank. This is it. And again, you can use this with almost any lens, especially zoom lenses. Thanks for watching. Hope you find this video entertaining or helpful. Like if you like the video, sub for more, and have a nice one.